Well, this is what I've been trying to get set up for the past week and finally got it working mostly right. As you can see, this is good old Windows XP, and I'm not to exactly show you how I did it, but what I am going to do is tell you it involves, first you have to format a partition for Windows. That's half the drive. Then you get Windows XP installed, or whatever version of Windows you really want to use. It works with any. After that's all done and updated and everything you need to do, then you use a program called Gparted, and you make a partition in the other part of the drive that you didn't touch with Windows and format it to a format called ext4. Then you shut it down, or take that disk out, shut it down, and put a live USB version or a disk version of Android X86 of whatever flavor you want. I prefer marshmallow. And you install it, and then at the end, instead of shutting down, you go ahead and run it and set it up with the disk in there so it actually boots it into it properly. And then after that, it's just whenever you turn on your machine, you get to choose whether you want to go Windows, an Android debug mode, or forced Android mode to test out new builds. But basically, all in all, it ends up being you're playing with Android on a phone. This particular install recognizes my desktop computer as a tablet, and it's just like what you can get on your phone or whatever. Same app store and everything. I mean, this is why I do it, so I can actually play the games on Android. Like Slither. I'm addicted to it. But also there's just some interesting stuff you can do with it. And you could actually just, if you wanted to, you could just use the Gparted to format the whole drive into ext4 and just have a massive internal storage version of Android to do whatever you want with. Don't have to dual boot it, but that's what I did since this is going to be a game machine.